Hi guys! Today, we'll show you how to fix website not allowed on iPhone. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. Once Settings is open, scroll down through the different options until you find Screen Time. Now tap on Screen Time. From here, scroll through the available options until you find Content and Privacy Restrictions. Tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. After opening it, you'll see different options available on the screen. Now tap on App Store, Media, Web, and Games. This will open another set of options that you can adjust. From the available options, tap on Web Content. Once you're inside Web Content, you'll see different settings for web access. Finally, select Unrestricted. This will fix the Website Not Allowed issue on your iPhone. And that's how you can fix Website Not Allowed on iPhone. If this tutorial helped you, subscribe to Solution Lab and comment if you want more iPhone tutorials.